Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the KingBolen model and the battery chemistry so you use the correct test profile. This prevents misleading results. Next, clean terminals and secure clamps for firm contact. Poor contact gives false low readings. Once done, power on the unit and choose the proper voltage or cell count setting. This tells the tester what range to expect. Make sure the tester's backlight and firmware prompt appear, because that confirms it is ready for the next step. You now choose the specific measurement, voltage for a quick check, internal resistance to assess health, or a load test for real-world performance, because each reveals different failure modes. Attach leads firmly and start the chosen test. Observe the display until readings stabilize, since fluctuations indicate poor contact or transient behavior. If you see inconsistent numbers, pause and reseat connections, then repeat the test. Once stable, save or note the readings. You finish by comparing the measured values against the battery specifications so you can decide if replacement or reconditioning is needed. After recording results, power off the tester and remove clamps, negative first when safe, to avoid sparks. If the tester shows errors or no reading, first verify correct polarity and that the battery voltage is within the tester's range, because most issues stem from these basics. If problems persist, update firmware or consult the manual. A single troubleshooting step often resolves the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.